Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday afternoon, January 20th. We are looking at the SPY ETF's market profile here on Window Trader. Nice little historic day again as the market gaps higher to all-time highs. We go out with a trend day in the SPY. We go out with a gap that holds. We go out with a lowest accepted price, a price probe. You name it, we got it. As we hit highs in all the indices, except, well, I shouldn't say all. We hit 3 out of the 5. We did not get an all-time high in the transports or the Dow. I take that back. I'm looking right now. The Dow did hit an all-time high today. I take it back. So the only one that didn't hit an all-time high is the transports today. Volume, 56 million. So definitely better than yesterday, but nothing great. L&M did not do a lot today. In fact, we did go out with a price probe, but because we didn't have much of a flush, once we got the probe, we sold off decently. There's some important levels we'll go over. Let's look at the other indices. Here's the Russell. Now, the Russell gapped to an all-time high, made an all-time high, and then spent the rest of the day having trouble even getting over the opening. They went back and forth through their opening a good part of the day after C period, after they closed their gap. They end up with 10 wide and no single prints and the high and the low for the day. Triple Qs, on the other hand, same as us, held the gap. Look at that bad print. That doesn't count. Held their gap, never saw the opening, just like we didn't. They have single prints in B and in G, just like we do. They also had single prints in K that got filled late when they had a reversal bar in M. The two key levels I thought they were going for was 325 and triple Qs, just missed it by 26 cents. And in SPY, again, since there's nothing to reach for, they start going for visual areas like 325 in triple Qs and 385 in SPY. Well, we got to 384.79, so they missed that by 21 cents. We also have single prints in B and F. Very small amount of trading today. I took a long in A period. I bought the 380 calls that expired today. Went right around when we got above the open, around the open, looking for the all-time high, which we finally got. So that was a nice trade. The trade I didn't take and should have taken was B. B opened, never went a tick lower, so that was a lowest accepted price. I didn't buy it. I should have bought it. My out would have been below the opening. Didn't take it, and you see what happened here. After that, I didn't do anything. This is not my type of day to trade. I don't like the slow grinds up. So I missed the trade in B. That's one I should have taken. That's my fault. D, I was looking for more of a pullback then. Because once we took out C's low, I wanted more of a pullback for better entry in case the single prints filled. And then I would have used A's high or B's low as my out. Never happened, went up. I don't mind missing that trade. B's low, I should have been on board that one. I don't mind missing this. My trade entry is important. That's why B's low is beautiful. Now, after that, this slow grind up, I do not like. So I watched. I didn't do anything. Even though we had another set of single prints, didn't pull back enough. The next trade I took, and the last trade I took today, was an I. Took a short. We took out H's low, took a short, didn't get paid until J period. Now, I could have added on in J period when it went up, but I didn't. Had a 30 lot. Finally, J came down, got a quick flush, filled the G singles, took it off. So P&L wise, I had an okay day. I mean, I made 12, I think it was 12 cents on that. I made $340 on that short, and I had a decent trade in A. So I had a good day P&L wise, but not what I wanted, that's for sure. And then once again, I was looking for J to possibly flush even more and take out the single prints in F, make more on my short, and then get a nice afternoon pullback low to go long. Now, I'm going to use J's low as an afternoon pullback low, but it's very, very close to the next set of singles. But I used them anyway. And then once again, we grinded up, and I just watched. I actually had a put play that I was going to take if we got to 385. I was looking to take the 386 or 387 puts that expired Friday. Never got there. Never put the put play on. And that's that. So do I mind I sat here all day and only took 2 trades? No. It was still good financially. It was still good because I think I called the market very well. And it didn't get to the entry points in D's low or J's low that I wanted to take along. So no big deal. As far as destinations for tomorrow, there's one and only one to the upside. 384.79 is our all-time high. Now we'll see if we make a new high in the overnight. But right now, that's the only one. For our downside, we have a bunch. 384.42. That is K's high, the price probe. We close below it by $1.50. But until we open up tomorrow, I don't know if that's accepted or rejected. Let's see if they still have 383. I'm sorry. 383.89 is where we close, not 383. I'm sorry, I apologize. So 384.82 price probe. Then we have J's low, 383.41. Afternoon pullback. Then we start the single prints, 383.34, get filled at 08. Second set, 382.17, get filled at 381.60. Then the lowest accepted price of 381.34. And then today's low of 380.69 and filling the gap at 379.23. So that's a 146-point gap that we're still holding. So as a buyer, I don't want to get accepted into 2 levels, which would be 381.49, which is the other previous all-time high in SPY, and then 381.13, which is the inside week up. So any pullback we get above there would be a nice buying opportunity. Now let's go to the charts. Monthly, with a week and a half left to go in the month, chugging along. We had an inside month in October, came out of it in November, and haven't looked back. Healthy. Weekly, came out of an inside week to the upside. We exploded out of it by $3. We're staying above the previous all-time high. Inside week up right now with 2 days to go. Daily, exploded out of a 2-day balance on a gap to the upside above this whole fray, up. So all 3 time frames are up right now. Again, 381.49 is the one you want to stay above. That's the previous all-time high in SPY regular trading hours. And then 381.13, which is the inside week up. We closed at 383.89. Hope you had a great day trading. Remember, there's only a week and a half left before this monthly fee goes up to $30. Yep, you hear that crying? That's all the subscribers who aren't ready to sign up yet. You're going to be crying if you don't sign up before February 1st to keep a $20 lifetime membership. Hope you had a great day trading. Have a great night. And we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.